piss on your face. And then I'ma fart in your mouth. Yeah, and then I'ma shit on these walls, Ray. Ooh.
Alright, yo, it's my bike check. Got some new stuff. Not really, just got some paint. I painted it. But, start off with the animal grips that I got from one of my buddies. Because I got the Eastern Skull grips and they suck ass. And, switched the sprocket over to left-hand drive because it kept getting away when I was grinding. I painted my frame purple. It's translucent, but I put some glossy shit down to, you know, pimp it out. And I did lime green rims. I taped them off, painted up my pegs. So you can see them in the same color, they match. And we got same seat, you know, same everything else. Get the plastic pedals, they're holding up. And back tire I got Fly Rubin folding, brand new. And got front tires the same shitty thing. 8-inch bars. That stem's gotta go. It's a piece of shit, never buy it. Forks are holding up, and you know, that's about it. So hope you like it. I'm gonna put an edit up soon. Get out some riding. It's pretty snowy and shit.